皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. In this lesson, you will learn the particle ni. The particle ni has a multiple functions, so you will learn how to use each of them in this lesson. Let's get started. So the particle ni has several functions in Japanese grammar. Here are some of them. It's most common uses: indicate, point in time, then indicating target or destination. You are currently beginner, so I introduced just two of them, but there are more depending on the context. You will learn when you move to more upper beginner or intermediate level. Okay, so I want to introduce the situation when you do not use the ni. So those are the words that you are not supposed to use ni. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 今日. So you will just simply say 今日, then you say something, continue the sentence. 明日. 昨日. 今. So my series, so every something, so such as 毎週, 毎月, 毎年, so every week, every month, every year. So my something does not require ni, just to use on its own. The next 朝, then 晩, 夜, 今夜. So these are the meaning for this evening. By the way, when you say 晩, normally, if you want to say tonight, 夜 would be good, or 今夜, not just only 晩. Okay. Let's look at some example sentences. 7時に起きます. So that means I get up at 7:30. So this sentence uses the time. So this one pronunciation is 7時, not 7時. 7時, 半 means half. Then use the particle ni to indicate the at. So this ni is at. 7時半に起きます means get up. That's the verb. Okay. Next sentence. 9時、ごめんなさい。9月に日本へ行きます。So, this indicates a month. So then you add ni. So that means I will go to Japan in September. Okay, let's practice those two sentences. Repeat after me. 7時半に起きます。9月に日本へ行きます。So we did the particle need to use indicate the time. So this time, destination ni. So I introduced some verbs when often used with ni. So first one, 行きます. 行きます means to go. To 帰ります means go home. 乗ります means get on. 登ります means climb up or mountain climb, hiking or something. 入ります means to enter. So those are movement verbs. So we use the particle with ni. Let's look at some example sentences. 私は学校に行きます。So that means I'm going to school. Repeat after me. 私は学校に行きます。Second sentence. 家に帰ります。What was the 帰ります verb means? 帰ります means going home. So that means I'm going home. This sentence, you dropped 私は, but that's okay. If you speak it, that means you're talking to yourself. You're talking to yourself. This sentence, dropped 私は part. But if you are speaking to a person, you can, if you say 家に帰ります, that means the other speaker knows you are going home. Okay, let's look at some other sentences. 京都に行きます。So that means I will go to Kyoto. 行きます means go, future. Number two, ニュージーランドに来ました。So that means I came to New Zealand. So this is a ます means go. ました is past tense, so that's why I came to New Zealand. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 京都に行きます。ニュージーランドに来ました。Okay, so let's try translation exercise. Question 1. I came to Japan on October 25th. Those who don't know how to say month or date yet, you just try I came to Japan. Okay, start. Okay, let's look at the answers. 10月25日に日本に来ました。So if you break down this sentence, started translate from the end of the sentence. So 10月 is October, 25日 means 25th. The ni is indicating the time. This ni is indicating the time. The Nihon ni, this ni, the function is destination. So it's okay to have a multiple ni in a sentence. 来ました means came. 来ます is original form, to come. So change to past tense is 来ました. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 10月25日に日本に来ました。Okay, so second exercise. I'm going home at 6:30 p.m. How would you say this? Start. Okay, let's check the answer. 6時半に家に帰ります。So this ni indicate the time. 家に that ni is a destination. Okay, repeat after me. 6時半に家に帰ります。はい。Okay, so we learned a function of particle ni. Please keep in mind the function of ni has multiple way of uses. So in this lesson, you learned a time with ni and destination with ni. Okay, let's practice the pronunciation. This time, you don't look at the sentences. Let's just listen, then practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. 7時半に起きます。7時半に起きます。Number 2. 9月に日本へ行きます。Number 3. 私は学校へ行きます。Number 4. 家に帰ります。Next one. 京都に行きます。 Last one. ニュージーランドに来ました。Okay, so that's for today's lesson. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. See you next time.